Sana supports different units of measure from Microsoft Dynamics 365. This is a Sana demo store. On the product list and product details pages, a customer can choose a unit of measure for a product he or she wants to buy. When the customer changes the unit of measure, the product price will be automatically adjusted based on the unit of measure conversion rules. For example, if the customer orders one piece of the item, there will be one price. But if the customer orders one box, the price might be different because there might be several pieces of the item in one box. You can set up units of measure and their conversion rules in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Go to the Organization Administration module and then Setup, Units, Units. Here you can add all required units of measure. Those units of measure which you want to show in the Sana Web Store must be set to visible in WebShop. Using translated unit descriptions, you can add descriptions of the units of measure in different languages. Use unit conversions to set up conversion rules between different units of measure. For example, you can convert pieces into box, determining how many items are in one box. Each unit of measure can have several unit conversions associated with it. Let's open some released products. On the Sell Fast tab, you must select the base unit of measure of the product. It is used as the default unit of measure of the product, and it is shown in the Web Store regardless of its visibility option. If unit of measure conversion rules are not configured, only the base unit of measure will be shown for the products in the Web Store. If you click Physical Dimensions on the Manage Inventory tab, you can enter physical dimensions of the product for each unit of measure. If you're using the delivery service, for example, FedEx or UPS, physical dimensions of the product are needed to calculate the shipping cost. This is the Sana admin. Let's go to Setup, Products, Units of Measure. To allow customers to select the unit of measure for the products they buy, you must select which customer types should see the units of measure in the Web Store and enable the unit of measure selection. If unit of measure selection is disabled, only the base unit of measure of the product will be shown, and the customers will not be able to select another unit of measure. You can also hide the units of measure in the Web Store at all. Sana also has its own functionality which allows to set up quantity rounding per unit of measure. A customer can buy one piece of some products or 1.5 of a kilogram of sugar, for example. If quantity settings are configured in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for the products, these settings from Sana admin will be ignored. In Microsoft Dynamics 365, you can use the default order settings of the product to set up sales quantity settings. On the Sales Order Fast tab, you can enter the standard order quantity, minimum and maximum order quantities, and the multiple quantity.